छोड़ो छोड़ो, दिल में क्या छुपा है बोलो बोलो, क्या इरादे बोलो बोलो, सारे बहाने छोड़ो छोड़ो। कैसा है ये नशा, नन्हा नशा, कैसा नशा, डूबे हैं इसमें जरा, इसमें जरा, इसमें जरा। मैं भी तो ये चाहूं रज़ा तेरी, मैं जानूं ना छुपा, ना छुपा, ना तू छुपा। Oh, tell me boy what do you wanna do? कर दे तेरा जादू जादू, आसमां में तुझको ले चलूं, कर ले मुझको काबू काबू। All your wishes I can make come true, I can make come true। क्यों ना तेरा ख्वाब मैं बनूं। कैसे कटे ये रातें, दूरी को अब मिटा दे, पास जरा तू आके, tell me what's on your mind। दिल में क्या छुपा है बोलो बोलो, क्या इरादे बोलो बोलो, सारे बहाने छोड़ो छोड़ो, कह दिया बस तू ही तो। क्या छुपा है बोलो बोलो, क्या इरादे बोलो बोलो, सारे बहाने छोड़ो छोड़ो, बोलो ना जरा।
बोलने लायक छोड़ा ही नहीं है आपने, कैसे 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 छोड़ा जाए। So with me, Wish band, I have 98.3 Mirchi par. This is me, Satwik. Wish, India's first girl group after 23 years. मतलब एक ऐसे टैग लग जाता है ना कि 23 सालों के बाद द फर्स्ट गर्ल ग्रुप, ऐसे फीलिंग आती है कि गर्ल्स बैंड है, ऐसा लगता है गर्ल्स हाई स्कूल कॉन्वेंट कुछ ऐसा चल रहा है। सच अ यंग एज यू आर डूइंग सच अ फैबुलस जॉब।
हम लोग तो प्रोफेशनल्स हैं तो ऑब्वियसली वी फील लाइक अ गर्ल ग्रुप।
वैसे अच्छा बैंड में एटमॉस्फेयर किस तरीके का रहता है? मतलब वैसे होती है जैसे ऑल गर्ल्स ग्रुप है, चुगलियां तो होती होंगी आई एम श्योर।
जो आप सोच रहे हो वो बिल्कुल भी नहीं है।
बिल्कुल भी नहीं
I
है।
think there's like a sisterhood, हम सब में like friendship इतनी strong है तो it doesn't feel like that। सिम और मेरे बीच में कभी कभार fights होती है because we're real sisters, otherwise it's a lot of fun।
ऐसा नहीं है, अब जोई भी मेरी बड़ी बहन जैसी बन गई है तो उसके साथ भी झगड़े होते रहते हैं।
We fight like sisters, we make up like sisters।
और सुची और मेरे साथ भी अगर वो कुछ भूल जाती है तो मैं बोलती सुची तो नहीं ये भूल रखा है।
ये दोनों टॉम है और हम दोनों जेरी है।
अरे वाह, आप जैसे टॉम एंड जेरी हूँ, मैं कुछ और देखूं ही ना, मैं कसम से बता। राइट, हैविंग सेड दैट, अच्छा सिंगिंग इन जनरल ना, मोर देन अ पैशन, मोर देन अ हॉबी, इट्स अ थेरेपी है ना। You, the way you sing, the way you hum something, it heals you। When did you first realize कि यार ये शायद मेरी कॉलिंग है?
एक्चुअली हम दोनों बचपन से ही गा रहे हैं। वी कम फ्रॉम अ म्यूजिकल फैमिली, मॉम डैड भी सिंगर्स है, कंपोजर्स है, ग्रैंडफादर भी लिरिसिस्ट थे, तो बचपन से ही हम लोग गाते आ रहे हैं। और हम लोग स्कूल में भी कॉम्पिटिशन्स में पार्ट लेते थे, टैलेंट कॉन्टेस्ट। तो आई फॉर द लॉन्गेस्ट टाइम आई रिमेम्बर दैट आई वांट टू बी अ सिंगर। कभी प्लान बी नहीं था।
Then eventually, like when I was 14 and then eventually when we started writing our own songs। So I think that was the best feeling कि जो भी अंदर है, if I was heartbroken I would put that on a page and I would feel so much better। So that became therapy for me।
Wow.
And eventually even when I start like singing those old songs, it feels like, oh, nostalgia, it feels good to sing your own music and to
Yes.
write your own music।
For me, when I was 5 years old, we would go on like long road trips, and I would sing. I don't know the lyrics. I don't know words that well, but I would sing even more than I spoke.
Wow.
So my parents instantly was like, she loves music, so let's just like lift the passion with her. So I grew up doing music. I learned
And
instruments.
this was when you were 5 years old.
Yeah.
So just like 1 year back. Right,
I guess I'll take it as a compliment.
of course, it was meant to be.
For me, actually, first dancing आ गया था. Like I used to dance on my dining table at home, and my dad is like, भाई इसको तो stage चाहिए. Dining table से काम नहीं चलने वाला.
Yeah.
So my parents actually put me to dance class. But then I also joined the choir. School में रहता था, church में रहता था. I used to go for fun, and then my choir teacher really liked my voice, and she thought that I could harmonize on my own. उनके वजह से I actually learned
Started
a
it,
lot,
yeah.
and I came to realize that I can sing and I can dance as well.
Wow, definitely thankful to all those moments जिनकी वजह से
Yes.
आप यहाँ खड़े हैं इस वक्त. It's an honor to have you in the Mirchi studio today.
Thank you.
अच्छा, I really want to know कि एक journey होती है जब भी as a group आप start करते हैं. About Wish, how has the journey been so far?
It's been a roller coaster.
Really? Please explain.
So actually, Wish launched in March last year. We debuted with our song Lazeez. But uske pehle bhi we had a long journey. I think 3 years before that, they found me. Eventually, they found Sim, Suchi, and then finally Zoe was like the missing piece.
Yeah.
And you know,
Completed us in the group.
yeah. So even our auditions, they were songwriting sessions, and they were very interesting and
Yeah.
different. Zoe had like a dance audition, which Suchi
Suchi
happened
had-
to take.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and when they reached out to me, मैंने बोला कि I have a sister who also sings and dances, so check her out.
अरे ये रहा, ये मेरा है, ये भी रख लो थोड़ा सा.
So
जी.
we does.
अच्छा, बट जैसे सॉन्ग राइटिंग द प्रोसेस, एक कोरियोग्राफी, आई एम श्योर एक फन प्रोसेस रहता है ना.
Yes.
वो कुक करने से, वो बनने के बाद से पहले वो कुक करने में ज्यादा मजा आता है. सो टेल मी अबाउट दैट. वो प्रोसेस कैसा रहता है आप लोगों का?
It's actually starts with all of us going into the studio. We have a producer there, maybe we have another lyricist that we're working with, and we kind of just put all of our ideas out there. And usually it starts from like if we're thinking about what we're going through in the moment, or we like to have chai and chat sessions. So we talk about each other's lives. That's also how we bond, and then we try to find a way to write that into our music. So it literally starts from chatting and our friendship and sisterhood, and then it goes straight into music video production, content, the choreography, and we play a major role in all the aspects. We love to be a part of everything.
तो ये चारों सर्वगुण संपन्न है, ऐसा मैं कह सकता हूँ. सब एक दूसरे का हाथ बटाती रहती हैं अलग अलग चीजों में. How do you maintain a balance between Indian roots and the global pop culture that is being there?
I think we've always wanted to fuse, you know, our styles, you know, जैसे कि Western or Indian, and it started off with Lazeez, you know, it has a very kind of Latin beat, but the melodies are kind of Indian. Lazeez is a word; it means delicious in
ये मुझे
Urdu.
पता है.
So you know, we'd like to like mix and bring both worlds together, and even in our song Bolo Bolo, especially it had a lot of Indian melodies, alaps,
Yeah,
and वो
yeah.
सब है उसमें.
No, also like Indian pop क्यों कहते हैं, because it has Indian and pop culture together, and India is full of cultures, और हम लोग को सब कुछ try करना है. Actually,
अरे
we
वाह.
love to experiment with different types of beats, different types of cultures, and we just get them all on a plate to see how we can make something our own. We always want to be authentic, still being, you know, deeply rooted to our Indian roots, and bringing Indian music to the global stage one day.
Lovely. अच्छा, लजीज का जिक्र 2-3 बार हो गया है. कुछ हो जाए लजीज का 2-3 लाइन ना.
Oh shit, we are winging it,
1,
okay?
2, 3, go. Bum, ba, 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 bum, ba, ba, da, da. Bum, ba, da, da, ba, ba, bum, ba, da, da, da.
मैं ऐसी चीज हूँ, बिल्कुल लजीज हूँ, होश उड़ा दूँ, blow your mind, I blow your mind.
Look at me now, tu bole wow. You wanna taste what I got?
मुझे तो देख, you want the cake, I'll be the cherry on top.
Na kita na care, kabhi na stare. Look at me now, you can't stop.
You want me back, now I got hot.
Lovely.
We haven't done that in so long.
अच्छा, ये मैं I really want to know this. अभी आया है सवाल मेरे मन में. जैसे the way I said कि लजीज कुछ गाते हैं ना, एकदम ऐसे शुरू हो गया. तो ऐसे क्या कोई चूंटी वूंटी काटता है तो भी ऐसे ही निकलती है आवाज सुर में बिल्कुल. मत करो.
All the time.
All our sneezes, yawns.
And then she's like,
ये बहुत funny है.
Sneeze comes out in a soprano type note, like. क्योंकि वो ज्यादा अच्छा लगता है. I don't know why.
नहीं, ज्यादा अच्छा लगता है ये है सिस्टम हमारा. तो
वो satisfying है, I agree.
लोगों को लगना चाहिए कि हाँ ये म्यूजिशियन है, मतलब ये सिंगर है, इसका
क्या?
चीख से.
इनकी चीख में जो खनक थी आप सुनिए, इतनी सुरीली है. अच्छा, being this all girls band, ऐसे कभी हुआ नहीं कि यार थोड़े लड़कों को भी लेकर आते, थोड़ी बेसी वॉइस?
I mean,
हम
bolo
लोग
bolo.
हाँ, बताओ प्लीज.
हाँ बोलो बोलो में we actually have a feature is Panther. He's rapped in it, so
अपने दिल्ली का ही पैंथर.
And that is a really cool thing because we mix like Desi hip hop, which is his genre, with ours, which is like Indian pop music. And yeah, we would love to collaborate with lots of people. We've
Yeah.
done with Marzi as well for Galti. So.
भाई वैसे तो अगर बेसिनेस चाहिए तो हम लोग भी लड़के बन सकते हैं.
हाँ.
जैसे कि हमारे गाने में इशारे में हमने कुछ
Should we
कव्वाली
show?
पार्ट गाया है.
इश्क इश्क इशारे, इश्क इश्क इशारे, पलकों पे यूं सवारे, हो हो. You don't need no boy.
जितने भी
आप
लड़के
बताइए.
सिंगर बनना चाहते हैं अपने सपने तोड़ दो. नौकरियां जा चुकी हैं. Speaking of live shows and performances versus the recording music, which is the trend, what do you prefer in general? से record करने में स्टूडियो में ज्यादा मजा आता है या लाइव शो की अलग फील होती है?
Songwriting process ही अलग है. You know, when you're in a studio, it's definitely magical creating a song right from scratch. But the energy that you feel when you're on stage is something else. I तो personally love performing live. What about you girls?
Live music for the win.
It's a feeling that you have to experience to understand. So even though we love every part of making music and being in the industry, the live shows is something that I think is my top.
हम लोग पूरा hard work डालते हैं, writing the song, creating the song, rehearsing up till the show, and then show की then it's rewarding for us.
Yeah,
You know?
because you meet the people that are actually receiving your music. You see them giving the energy right
That
back.
instant
Singing
reaction you get.
connection, yeah.
Comments पढ़ने में and them singing it live back to you is very different.
Yeah.
Oh, very nice. Yeah. And that too when you are on stage with Sunidhi Chauhan someday. Please tell us about that experience.
It was amazing because we are such huge fans of Sunidhi Chauhan. She is an inspiration to all the girls in this country and young singers. And I have been a fan of her since a really long time.
Yeah.
So I was freaking out andar hi andar when we were at soundcheck. We didn't know whether it's happening or not. And then when we met her, I was playing it cool, totally playing it cool.
She's such a good person. Like
Yeah.
she's so warm. जब हम मिले उनसे, and it didn't feel like oh my god, like it's Sunidhi. She was like a mom to us. It felt just that motherly love.
And
नहीं वो तो आप हो भी छोटे छोटे से ना सारे. तो वैसे ही एक अच्छा वो motherly instinct आ गई होगी.
No, but just the experience that she has, the years that she's been in the
Of course,
industry,
yeah.
the way she commands the stage, the way she performs, her vocals with her dancing, it was just
Powerhouse.
amazing to watch her live, but also get to feel that energy with her on stage. It was
And the
amazing.
most amazing thing to see is the fact that even though with her vast experience, she was ready to like support an artist, like a group like us, basically that, you know, building up women artists in the industry. And it was so nice that she had us on and performed with us. So it was amazing.
So who else than Sunidhi Chauhan? मतलब ऐसे और कौन सा आर्टिस्ट है जिसके साथ आप कोलैबोरेट करना चाहोगे? Ooh, ये भी सुर में निकला देखो.
There's also so many cool artists that are like Diljit Dosanjh.
Yeah.
She's
Karan
taken
Aujla.
Punjabi pop, both of them to like a global level, you know, performing at Coachella and
Yeah.
Jimmy Fallon show. And that's definitely something that we would also love to do. So we
I
hope to
personally
collaborate
would
more.
like us to collab with Divine because I really love rap music and he has elevated Indian rap to another level.
अच्छा कभी ऐसा हुआ that you know we are inspired by the artists है ना, हमने काम भी फॉलो करते हैं, देखते भी हैं, सीखते बहुत कुछ है. So we know them उनके म्यूजिक से. ऐसे कभी आपको किसी ने आपके म्यूजिक की वजह से आइडेंटिफाई किया? What was that moment?
Recently only Diwali के time we were shopping and like 3-4 लोगों ने मुझे recognize किया and बोला wait are you from Wish? एक बार तो किसी ने बोला are you Suchi from Wish? मैं same हूँ. But they were like we are big fans of Bolo Bolo. कोई US से था and they were like you guys have a big community in the US and everyone loves Bolo Bolo over there. So I was so overjoyed that time.
Sometimes we sit in the plane and the seat next to us, वो बोलो बोलो के reels जा रहे हैं and we're like, she doesn't know.
कल
I
ही
am
किसी ने
Yeah.
देसी गर्ल का हमारा
Yeah.
वर्जन वो
reels
रील्स में
में
देख रहे थे.
and I'm looking at her कि ये देखेगी मुझे.
ये अपना ही है, अपना ही है. You mentioned about Desi Girl, which is the latest track.
Yes.
अब मैं बोलूं या आप अपने आप ही गा दोगे?
बोलो
बोलो हाँ, वाह।
हम देसी गर्ल गा लेंगे, आप देसी बॉय गा लेंगे.
देसी बॉय मैं हूँ, ठीक है? या लेट्स.
1 2 3 4.
नच के दिखा दे
देसी अदाएं,
झुमका गिरा दे
देसी गर्ल,
नच के दिखा दे
देसी अदाएं, न देखी कोई ऐसी गर्ल.
देख लख लख परदेसी girl ain't nobody like your देसी girl
देख लख लख परदेसी गर्ल, सब तो सोनी मैं तेरी देसी गर्ल.
Who's the hottest girl in the world?
my देसी girl my देसी girl
ठुमका लगा के she walk you up.
my देसी girl my देसी girl
Right, so on that musical note, this is me, RJ Satvik from 98.3 Mirchi, and Wish, we love to have you here.
Thank you.